Welcome to another edition of Hayward Video Training. The following video features Hayward's AquaRite chlorine generator. Topics covered include how to reset the average salt level displayed on the default screen, how to display the exact percentage of desired chlorine output, changing the product name when using the AquaRite with a remote control, how to configure the AquaRite for the correct T-cell type, how to clear the inspect cell blinking LED, and how to configure the system to display US measurements instead of metric. First, we see the default screen reads 2,500 parts per million. To find the instant salt reading, press the diagnostic button 5 times. Notice the value has a negative sign. This does not mean negative salt. It is simply there to remind the user that this value is the instant salt reading. Move the selector switch from auto to superchlorinate and back to auto. Now press the diagnostic button 4 times to return to the default screen. Notice the average salt reading level has been reset and now reads 3,000 parts per million, which is also the current instant salt level. Next, to view or change the exact percentage of desired chlorine output, press the diagnostic button 4 times. You'll notice the value changes as the dial is adjusted. Also notice that when the selector switch is moved from auto to superchlorinate, the value immediately goes to 100%, regardless of where the dial is set. The system will operate at 100% until either the selector switch is moved back from superchlorinate, the pump shuts off, or 24 hours has gone by, whichever occurs first. At that point, the percentage of output will return to the dial setting value. When using a remote control in conjunction with AquaRite, you can change the name displayed on the remote control for the AquaRite. To do this, press the diagnostic button 6 times. To change the setting, once again move the selector switch from auto to superchlorinate and back to auto. Repeat the process until the desired setting is reached. Refer to the owner's manual for details of each available setting from 1 to 5. To view or change the T-cell type, press the diagnostic button 8 times. Then move the selector switch from auto to superchlorinate and back to auto. Repeat this process until the correct T-cell type is displayed. When the inspect cell LED is blinking by itself, the system has ran for 500 hours and is reminding the user to inspect and clean their T-cell. To reset the 500-hour timer and clear the blinking inspect cell LED, simply press and hold the diagnostic button for 3 to 5 seconds until the light turns off. You have now reset the 500-hour timer. To change from metric mode to US measurements, press the diagnostic button once. In this example, the system reads 22 degrees Celsius. Move the selector switch from auto to superchlorinate and back to auto to change to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. The system will now display US measurements. This same process is used to change from US measurements to metric.